This is 7448. This is a Havana Inside Cabin. All right, looks just like the rest of the inside cabins, just different decor. All right, so when you first came in, you had your closets. That side is all hanging. This side has your drawers, shelves, and safe. You've got your desk area with a nice upgraded chair, 2 US power, 2 USB. That mirror does light up. Just hit that button right there, sorry, and that lights up. As I was showing you earlier, your bed is a king in this configuration or separated to 2 twins. You do have your nightstands there. No additional power back there, y'all. Your TV is over here, mini fridge, some shelves. Bathroom, nice shower, old school curtain. Toilet's in a great place for my height at 6'4", so great for tall and fluffy, by the way. 6 shelves, makeup mirror, there's power up top, single basin sink, little storage underneath. Everything that you need. And again, looks just like a regular inside cabin. You just have the Havana perks that come with this. Ciao.